What color is the banana? Is it green? Or is it yellow?
I don't.
What color is this?
Oh.
Pooping?
Fish.
Fish?
Water.
No, I'll try. I don't know if she'll care. I might just need verbal cues.
Yeah.
Did you
Can you copy the shapes?
This is a bunch of them.
make a square? Make a square?
What about an X?
It's right here.
Good
Good job. Can you make a circle? Good circle.
Make a wall with me.
Make a line. Good job, Lizzie B.
Give her one on the circle line.
Yeah. She's got the one part of the X, but not the other part.
Developmentally, though, she shouldn't be able to, I think.
No, I don't think so either.
Will you draw me a picture, Lizzie?
She scribbles. I've seen children scribble a lot more violently than that.
That's so pretty, Lizzie.
Yeah.
Good job, Lizzie.
Throw it to your mom.
No, throw it. Catch. Go over there. Over there. Over here. Look, throw it to that page. Can you throw it to me? Throw me the ball. Lizzie, throw me the ball. Throw it. Good girl. Go over there. Go catch. Go over there. Throw me the ball. Can we roll it? Roll it.
You got a lot?
Push it. Push it. Push the ball.
What do you do with them? You can't drink out of them. They have holes in the ball.
Push it. Here you go. Push it. 1, 2, 3. Push.
They're not water cups. You can't get water out of them. They got holes in them.
You do. Lizzie's turn.
Pour it out. Dump it out.
If you pour it in, it'll come out the bottom. See the holes?
Ready?
Charber's in the ER.
There they are.
Little rock.
Ready?
Sorry for cutting grass.
He's not wearing safety goggles, apparently.
Where's he going?
Can you roll it? Lizzie, roll it.
My brother.
Roll it.
Hi.
Stop.
What does that smell?
Cucumbers.
Good job, Lizzie.
What are they?
They're taking a picture of Lizzie.
Good.
What is this?
They're studying Lizzie's gene. You want to go with 8 page? Where? Where am I going? I'm not going in. You gotta push it.
She wasn't doing it right now. Push hard. Ready? 1. Bring it. 2, 3.
You want to go fly her.
Got it. Again.
Let go. There you go.
Good job.
What?
They're doing schoolwork.
What?
They're going to be occupation.
Paige. Lizzie's turn.
Can you do that?
Other way. Here. Good job. Do it again. Your turn. Do it again. Other way.
Huh?
This way. Look.
Pour Paige
Pour
a
the
drink.
Good job.
I think she gets
Again?
a 1 for that.
It's a little heavy for her, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it is.
Oh, no!
It's just a big cup.
More
Yeah.
water. More water.
Come on, let's go get some. You want help?
Just get a little bit.
There you go.
Other way.
Pour it in there.
Here. Good job. Now this one. Good job. Again.
Oh no.
It's too heavy.